Oman e-invoicing explained.
Oman is introducing mandatory e-invoicing as part of its VAT digital transformation. The new system, known as Fawtara, will require structured electronics providers using a Peppol-based network.
The Oman Tax Authority aims to modernize VAT compliance, improve transparency, and reduce fraud. Many countries around the world are introducing similar systems to automate tax reporting and invoice monitoring. Oman plans to roll out e-invoicing in several phases. Phase 1 begins in August 2026, initially targeting a small group of large taxpayers. Phase 2 follows in February 2027, expanding to all large VAT-registered companies. By August 2027, the system is expected to cover all VAT-registered businesses in Oman. Oman's model uses a Peppol-style five-corner exchange network. Invoices are generated in structured electronic format within the seller's ERP system. They are then transmitted through accredited service providers, routed through the tax authority platform, and delivered digitally to the buyer. To comply with the mandate, companies will need systems capable of generating structured invoice data, integrating with service providers, and storing invoices electronically for audit purposes. Businesses operating in Oman should start preparing early. This includes reviewing ERP capabilities, evaluating Peppol-compatible providers, and monitoring updates from the Oman Tax Authority.